Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Celeste and today I'm gonna show you how to make this do-it-yourself Christmas ball ornaments. This is very easy and very fast to make. So before we get started, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get updated all my videos. So let's get started with our materials. We have a transparent bowl, our glitter, this is a gold color one, our 2 inches kind of artificial leaves, and 2 colors of stars, silver and gold, our all-purpose glue, or you can use a school glue too, our twine, mix of white and red color, the scissor, and the last one, our hot glue. So get ready all the materials and let's get started. Let's begin with our crystal ball. So we need to take it off carefully, this lid of our plastic transparent bowl or crystal bowl, like this, and we're gonna pour the glue inside. Make sure that it's not too much, just enough to cover the whole balls inside, like this. So you need to roll it around to cover everything. Once we fully cover with the glue our transparent plastic bowl, we need to grab our glitter. Then we gonna pour enough amount of glitter inside. Then after that you need to roll around, then the glitter will be fully covered inside our Christmas ball ornaments. Then make sure that everything is fully covered with the glow and the glitter, like this. Then we gonna put it back the lid. So we need to be careful to put it back because the lid is like kind of a very soft kind of material. Then we're gonna snap it on. Make sure that you can hear the click sound, then your ornaments is base safe. So but this time you can see that our glitter and glow is not dry yet, so we can still continue making a decoration on top using our fake leaves. We're gonna insert it on the hook or the ring of our Christmas ornaments, like this. Then we're gonna grab our twine. Make sure you have enough, like maybe 24 inches long. Then you're gonna cut it and cut it into 2 pieces. Now we're gonna insert it on the hook or the ring of our Christmas ball ornaments right here. So I'm using my hook to pull it. The twine is more easy. Then balance it. Make sure that you have equal length of twine. Then we gonna tie it once, then we gonna make into a bow. Once you're done making into a bow, make sure that everything is equal or balanced. Then we gonna glue it on the lid. After we're done gluing it on the lid, we're gonna grab our glue again right here. Then we're gonna put some glue in the middle of our bow, and we're gonna stick our stars. So we're gonna use the biggest one, then we're gonna put another glue on the top of our stars and put the small one. Once we put the small one, then your DIY Christmas ornaments is finished. But you need to keep watching with the glue inside and keep rolling it, and you can make it even. So on this Christmas ball ornaments, it takes like 2 to 3 days to make it dry. I hope on this video tutorial today you have fun and enjoy our Christmas holiday season. See you on my next video. Bye.